Welcome to the channel, where we help you take control of your energy needs. In today's video, we're breaking down how to size an inverter for your off-grid solar power system, so you can keep the lights on, no matter where you are. The inverter is one of the most crucial components of your system because it converts the DC power from your solar panels and batteries into usable AC power for your home appliances. Sizing the right inverter is essential to ensure your system runs smoothly. Number 1. Understand your power needs. Step 1 is to understand your power needs. Make a list of all the appliances you plan to run, both the big ones like your refrigerator and smaller devices like lights or laptops. Every appliance has a power rating, typically listed in watts. Add these up to calculate your total load. For example, if you're running a fridge that consumes 150 watts, a laptop using 100 watts, and a few lights that total 50 watts, your total power consumption will be 300 watts. This is just your continuous load. Number 2, choose the right inverter size. Once you've determined your continuous load and surge power, it's time to choose your inverter. The general rule is to choose an inverter that's rated for at least 25 to 30% more than your maximum continuous load. So, if your total load is 300 watts, look for an inverter that's at least 390 watts or more. Number 3. Consider the inverter type. There are two main types of inverters: modified sine wave and pure sine wave. Pure sine wave inverters are more efficient and compatible with sensitive electronics like computers, but they can be more expensive. Modified sine wave inverters are more affordable, but may not work as well with certain devices. For most off-grid homes, a pure sine wave inverter is the better choice, as it ensures a clean, consistent power supply, especially if you plan to power modern appliances. Number 4. Match the inverter to your battery bank. Finally, your inverter should match the voltage of your battery bank. If you're using a 12-volt battery system, you'll need a 12-volt inverter. The same goes for 24-volt and 48-volt systems. Make sure the inverter and battery system work together seamlessly. With the right inverter size and type, your off-grid solar power system will run efficiently and power your home smoothly. Now you know how to size an inverter for your off-grid solar system. With the right calculations and components, you can be confident that your system will meet your energy needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on solar power and energy independence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.